Today we talk about how can you find your orders on your Temu app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on you down here, you just click here on you. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click on your orders here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Then here you will find all orders you have. I have here no orders, but if you have it, you will find it. And here can you select these categories if you're looking for frozen here, or shipped, or delivered, or returns here. So here can you find your orders. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.